I'm Scott Olson, co-founder of LTCshop.com. I've been in the industry since 1995, specializing in just long-term care insurance. I'm licensed in all 50 states. I sell long-term care insurance just over the phone and via Zoom, and I've been doing it that way since 1999. The two biggest outcomes and benefits of being part of CLTC was knowledge. As a brand new insurance agent, I was only in the business a few years when I took the CLTC course. It gave me the knowledge that I needed to understand how to plan for long-term care and the alternatives to the insurance products, especially Medicaid. I had no idea how Medicaid worked. And when you understand how Medicaid works, it helps you to understand why long-term care insurance and long-term care planning makes sense. So I got that knowledge from CLTC. But what the knowledge does is it gives you confidence. So I had confidence to speak with people who were very intelligent people. They're very smart financially and things like that. But I had the confidence because I knew how it worked. The things that I learned from CLTC gave me confidence, and that changed everything. There's so much misinformation. All you have to do is go on the internet today. Years ago, you'd go on the internet and you'd find sensible articles about long-term care insurance and long-term care planning. Most of what you read on the internet now is just misleading and uneducated. Not having the correct knowledge hurts the insurance agents, the financial planners, but most importantly, it hurts the consumers. Everyone who's in the insurance industry and in the financial planning business needs to get their CLTC. I'm sorry, that's just the way it is. You need to do it. It's foundational to planning for long-term care. The knowledge that we receive from CLTC, not just the knowledge from the initial course, but then the ongoing courses and the ongoing CE and the ongoing conferences, all that adds to the value of your profession. It's vitally important what we do. What we do is very important, and we need to not just educate our clients, but then motivate them to take action. And CLTC does that.